Hello people, today we will see how to get started with Firebase using FlutterFire CLI. It's an easy method to follow, so let's get right into the video. Before getting started, we have two things to satisfy. One is to install Node.js, another is to install Firebase tools. Let's see how to do that. This is the Node.js download page. Download the appropriate installer and install it into your system. I have already installed it. Let me open the command line and check what is the version of npm and node.js installed, and make sure to run it as administrator. Okay, the next step is to install the Firebase tools. I have already installed it, so I'm not gonna press enter here, but you will have to do it. Then we will have to create a new Flutter project. Let me do it quickly. Yes, the project is created now. Let's configure the Flutter file. Make sure to select the command prompt if you are using VS Code. Then log into Firebase using Firebase login. I have already logged in, so I will log out now and show you how to log in. Okay, once you press enter here, it will open a localhost in any of your default browser. Log into the account in which you have created the project. Okay, now that we have successfully logged in, the next step is to activate the FlutterFire CLI globally. Now let's configure the FlutterFire using FlutterFire configure. This will fetch all of our project from Firebase so that we can select the correct one. Now that the project is selected, we will have to decide on which platform it is going to run. So you can use arrow keys to move back and forth, and use the space key to select or unselect. Once you have selected all the things that you need, you can press enter so that it can create all the configurations for us. The configuration file is generated successfully, and I have imported the configuration file into our main.dart as well. Now we need to add a small piece of code into our main function so that Firebase can initialize the Firebase app. Now the last thing to do is to import the Firebase core package into our project. So let me do it quickly. That's it people. Configuring Firebase into Flutter is made as simple as this, and it is also less error prone considering the last method. I hope it is worthy. If you think so, just give us a thumbs up. We'll meet you in the next video. Have a good day.